So back in October, I had the opportunity to check out the first Pints and Pistons at Round Trip Brewing, where I met Tim and his beautiful Mark II VR6 Jetta. Let's check it out. Hey Tim.
How's it going?
Nice to meet you, sir. I'm PK from Smoke Rubber. Tell me about the Mark II you got here.
So it's a 90 Jetta coupe. It's got a VR6 swap out of a Corrado in it.
What? May I see it?
Yeah. But it's mildly built. Cams, full valve train.
Wow. OBD2?
No, it's OBD1 technically.
Okay.
So it's an early Dizzy motor too.
Yeah, I see that. All right.
Just a little street car. Get it out on the weekends and drive it.
Yeah, okay. So how long have you owned this thing?
About 6 years.
Okay. And it was always, obviously wasn't always a VR.
No, it had a VR when I got it, but it was in rough shape when I got it. It was sitting in a guy's driveway. I traded an Audi for it and kept it ever since. Slowly been going through it.
Okay. How long for you to get it up to, your liking?
I'm always tinkering with it.
Yeah, it never ends.
It's always changing stuff with it.
All right. You may not know, but I'm a fellow VR guy. I got a Mark III VR6,
nice,
OBD2, big cams, all that stuff, and I'm really thinking about going boost. It's just I got to get that car kind of proper first. So, but why the VR6? Why not another platform?
My first Volkswagen was a Mark IV with a VR6 in it, and ever since then I've just loved the sound. I love the torque. It got a nice power band.
Absolutely. Would you mind starting it up so I can hear it? So what you got going on in the motor? Woo! Sounded good.
Yeah, like I said, it's got cams, valve train, ARP, everything, Mark IV head gasket, full exhaust.
What kind of cams you got going on?
Tectonics.
I like those TT. Yeah. What about the downpipe and all that?
It's a OBX header.
Okay, yeah, and that works.
No, it was on the car. So the exhaust was on the car. Probably two of the only things I haven't changed.
Okay.
It's got a 2.9 intake and throttle body on it also.
Very nice. What are your overall plans? Are you gonna keep it this way?
Yeah. Well, I got a 24 valve sitting on the floor in my garage.
Ooh, okay.
So I'm just sitting on it. Something happens to it. Yeah, I'm in no rush to it.
Yeah, I hear you. And you said you owned this for like 6 years.
Yep.
So tell me about this. Looks like a cooler overflow.
What's that?
The radium bottle?
Yeah, that's the coolant ball essentially.
Okay.
So,
you run into any issues with like cooling or anything like that?
No, it's got a Mishimoto in it.
Yep, I see that here.
I monitor the coolant temp at the radiator coming out of it and on the engine. And during the summer, it runs about 190. I also have the high temperature thermostat in it too.
Absolutely.
So and then I run a standalone coolant tip sensor also, so it doesn't use the factory fan module.
Right.
So it's all standalone.
Okay.
And then it's got a Mishimoto fan on it. It runs nice and cool. I don't have any heating issues.
Yeah.
So.
Very nice. Yeah, I just finished a coolant overhaul on my VR6, and I'm down to one hose clamp that has like a little tiny leak.
Yeah.
But that's it. And I got the low temp coolant thermostat.
Yeah, it's was it like 168 versus like 170?
Right.
Like that.
Yeah, exactly. Very nice. Yeah, I love the details, man. It looks really clean.
Thank you.
And this is awesome. I would love to photograph this car someday if you're into it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not a show car. I drive her. I mean,
and that's the point.
She's got nicks and all that in it.
As it should. It's a driven car.
Anytime I'm home, I travel a lot for work. Anytime I'm home, I got a S5 also, but this is the go-to. Fast forward to November at the latest Pints and Pistons meet at Round Trip Brewing. Let's check it out.
Yeah, I've got a 78 MCB Roadster. Okay. I've just got it inline 4. and it'll crank, but I haven't got the transmission linked up. I'm doing something wrong.
You said a 78 what?
MGB roaster, the short.
Oh, nice.
Short, fat, wide one.
Yes.
Puts about 90 horsepower, top speed about 75 miles.
Still a fun car. Ready? You'll get it ready for the spring. Right, we have some time now that it's cold. Yeah. Well, we'll keep in touch,
I got
buddy.
a Mini Cooper S.
We got a bunch of cars.
I got a Mini Cooper S, and that's running fine. It's got the 2.0 liter turbo engine in it.
Nice.
BMW engine in it. And
Yeah.
I got a 78 MGB roadster. And I got that little G-Tow right there. I got a Z06 Corvette and a Hyundai Kona.
Very cool. Pleasure to meet you, Larry.
Hey, you too, man.
So there you have it. That was the Pints and Pistons meet at the Round Trip Brewery. Round Trip Brewing Company. Anyway, great venue. Thank you and shout out to Round Trip Brewing for hosting us in such a great venue. Beer and cars, you know, you really can't go wrong. It was a little bit of a cold day at the most recent event, but it's great because people still came out and showed up with their cars, and it was great to meet a bunch of new people. It was great meeting Tim and from the first time, and Larry at the most recent one. So we'll be sure to stay connected, through all the social media channels that we can. And of course, guys, if you haven't already, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And just as a reminder, it's about a week left before we have to select the winner of the free giveaway for November. So again, all you need to do is like, comment November giveaway, and subscribe to the channel. And it doesn't have to be this video, but it could be, the others that we did in November. So just head over to the channel. You can check our list, and you can queue up on anything you haven't watched yet. And we'd love your support and your feedback on everything. So look forward to hearing from you guys. Again, happy Thanksgiving, y'all. I hope you guys have a great holiday weekend. Stay safe, and until next time, peace.